Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Vince. I'm back here with a very special video. I'm excited, man. Lucky Toss 3D is back in action, scamming again. Do you know why this makes me happy? It makes me happy because I can call it out again. Guys, look at this. Look at this picture right now. We have a lucky scratch system. We have a lucky spin system. We have a prize center. We have a dividend system that apparently daily revenue of $17,000 gets shared between 92 users, dude. Holy hell. Holy freaking hell, everyone. I cannot explain this any better. I was scared Lucky Toss 3D, right? What am I doing right now? I'm not even aiming properly. I was scared Lucky Toss 3D was gone forever. And do you know why I was scared? Because I loved ripping it to shreds. Guys, if you don't know, Lucky Toss 3D is without the biggest doubt, biggest scam, dude. $200 cash out, $300 cash out, $400 cash out. They're back, man. They're freaking back. I love it. I'm so happy. Dude, we have more content to make now. We have finally something to pick on again. I thought they were done for good. Now, the only thing they haven't done is play me an ad, okay? They haven't played me an ad just yet. But we have the prize center back again. Lucky Toss 3D developer, thank you so much for coming back, dude. I cannot wait to rip you apart again. I'm over it. I'm over these apps, dude. Do you know what's funny to me, guys? This channel, right, was made as a dare to see what would happen if I covered scam apps. Like, the channel itself wasn't made as a dare, but the topics were scam apps. But you guys loved it. And yet, here we are. Literally 3 months later, still covering scam apps, ripping them to shreds. I never thought in a million years that ripping apps to shreds like this would be a pastime. But yet, here we are, everyone. That just gave me an ad then, by the way. Lucky Toss 3D is so bad. Let me just calm down a bit, okay? Look at this. It's a scratch. It's a lucky scratch system, dude. Holy hell. Alright, let me just calm down. Alright. Guys, to begin with, Lucky Toss 3D never pays out its users, okay? Never, ever pays out its user. It never, ever will give you the Gucci bag or the Versace watch that it promises. They're never going to split $17,000 between 92 people. This is the dumbest app I think I've covered, dude, except for the Plinko, Hyper Plinko games. This app right here needs to be banned by Google. It needs to be regulated by Google. I just cannot contain my excitement right now. You have no idea. And for people watching me for the first time, I'm sorry, I'm not usually like this, but if you're a regular viewer, or if you've watched my previous Lucky Toss 3D videos, you know how insane this is right now, okay? Lucky Toss 3D is back, but they're not just back, they're back with the biggest scams. It's almost like they watched my videos and thought, hang on, let's make everything Vince absolutely hates about scam apps and put it all into one. Do you know how happy this makes me? You can tell, dude, I'm so happy right now. I'm so happy we're able to cover this again. Dude, thank you, Lucky Toss 3D developer. You are an absolute legend, man. You keep it up, bro. You keep it up, and I'll keep ripping you down over and over again. Oh, look at this. We got a fortune bottle, everyone. Look, there's a bottle system now. Revenue share. Oh, look at this revenue share I've got, bro. Oh my god, I'm making money. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm making big money here. I love it. Here we go. It's a complete joke. To you poor people that are playing Lucky Toss 3D, please stop. Please stop, everyone. Legitimately, it's an absolute scam. Look at this guy. This is the epitome of an absolute scam as well. Do you think this Muppet has all that money, dude? Come on, man. I don't even care I'm watching these pathetic ads. Guys, Lucky Toss 3D never pays out, has diminishing returns, has a fake prize system, has a fake lottery system now, or scratchy system. And a fake dividend system. I can't handle it. I got 2 hoops, bro. Yeah, I watch an ad, I get 2 hoops. That's great. Thanks a lot, game. You're freaking legend, bro. Oh, look, there's a walking duck now. They've updated. Dude, they've updated everyone. I can't believe it. Lucky Toss 3D has actually updated. Can you get off my screen? This is another way they trick you into watching ads, man. They keep doing pop-ups. Seriously. Look at this. Come on. Alright, good. So I have a $4 revenue share right now, which is awesome. I want to make so much cash, everyone. So minimum cash out, what was it, $200? Yeah, $200 minimum cash out. So we haven't hit the threshold yet, everyone. Look, again, it just keeps popping up for me to watch ads. Guys, this is the biggest scam system. I'm so proud and so happy that it's back. I don't know how many times I can repeat that in one video, but I can't contain myself. Let's see this up here. Daily rewards claimed now. Yeah, sure. Let's claim the daily rewards. A phone. Yeah, got a phone piece. That's great. Let's keep spamming here. Yeah, okay, whatever. So $7 revenue share right now. We're on $51. We're still getting shafted, I reckon, by diminishing returns. Yes, we are. We're on $4 now. Here's an ad. We're about to show you what real winning looks like. Okay, show you what real winning is. Well, look at this actor, number 1, dude.
No way.
Yeah, no way. Because it's fake, lady. And you're a pathetic actor. No way. No way. I won $1 million? Oh my god. I should be an actor for one of these, dude. That'd be hilarious. Me coming out with these stacks of money and stuff. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna buy a whole bunch of fake money, everyone. I'm gonna do it. You watch me. Legitimately. Oh boy, oh boy. I don't know what we're gonna do. It's just one of those situations where we have an app that went away for scamming the public. Literally went away for so long, and now it's back in action, bro. This thing is ready to play. Just got $10 extra there. Watch another ad. No thank you. No thank you. I don't want to watch ads. You can watch an ad to get large rings as well. You can skip a stage by watching an ad. It's just constant ad farm. Literally constant ad farm. $3 reward then, and now we're getting diminishing returns. It's kicking in. Unbelievable. I'm so happy I decided to play Lucky Toss 3D again today. I had no idea the scam was back. This is why I like checking back on these old scam apps, everyone, to see what they're up to. And I'm so happy I chose Lucky Toss 3D. I just can't get over it. I need to cover this again properly in depth. Bit by bit, go through each of these things to show how fake they really are. So let me just see how much... Dude, can you stop prompting me with ads? Oh my god, how annoying. Oh. This is why I hate this app. This is why I love covering it, though. This is why I'm so excited, dude. You guys are going to see how fake it is, man. Oh, it's such a good feeling. Legitimately. What's this doing? My speaker's not making... Oh, there we go. I had a light on and it just turned off. Let me just quickly... Oh, I can't even skip this ad. Fantastic. Do you like the light, everyone? Got a little speaker here. It's a Logitech speaker. Has a light on it. Thought I'd put it there just to distract you a bit. This is what you're going to be faced with every time you play Lucky Toss 3D. Okay, so 3 of 10 on the iPhone, Gucci bag, Versace watch, yep, blah, 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 blah. Love the sneakers you can win. As I said, my name is Vince. I cover scam apps. First time watching me, check out my channel. Literally just dedicating my channel towards scam apps. It's a crazy experience. I've covered some real trash in my days, but Lucky Toss 3D is up there with the worst of the worst scams. Literally, okay? Either way, thank you very much for watching. I hope that you all did enjoy. Please remember to hit that like and subscribe button. It's going to be the end of this video for Lucky Toss 3D. We'll be back soon. See you around, everyone. Thanks again. Catch you next time.